Hey everybody, if you would like the option of playing baseball, playing catch with a baseball in the evening, this video is for you. So these baseballs glow, they actually illuminate, and they have a variety of colors from green, aqua blue, purple, white, yellow, red, and there's your green again. With a click of a button right here, it's all nice and flush. And then it also comes with a USB to USB-C. Open it up, you stick it in the charger there, you charge it. It actually lasts, I have yet to have this run out of power. I mean, it just lasts a very, very, very long time. The weight of this is just like a regular baseball. So from a weight standpoint, it does have a little bit of cushion to it, just like a regular baseball. I mean, same size as regular baseball. I don't know if I would recommend hitting it with a bat because it does have LEDs in there, but from a plain catch type scenario here, it's very bright. At night, it's kind of hard to pick that up with the camera, but easy enough to catch back and forth in pitch blackness. Very, very cool. So if you're looking for a baseball, I mean, it's sewn in there. It's like the regular baseball. Same baseball size, same baseball weight, except you can use it in the evening. This brand right here. Sent these to me. Said, Ryan, tell us what you think. And what I think is these things are pretty cool, but in no way whatsoever would this being provided to be affect this review. As you can tell, I just kept it real. Talk to you soon.